From automation to optimization, how machine learning is reshaping manufacturing processes, Insta Data Help Analytics Services. From automation to optimization, how machine learning is reshaping manufacturing processes. Machine learning has emerged as a transformative technology in various industries, and manufacturing is no exception. Automation in manufacturing. Traditional automation systems were rule-based and required explicit programming for each task. Predictive maintenance. One of the significant applications of machine learning in manufacturing is predictive maintenance. Quality control. Machine learning algorithms can also enhance quality control processes in manufacturing. Supply chain optimization. Machine learning can also optimize supply chain management in manufacturing. Energy efficiency. Machine learning algorithms can play a crucial role in improving energy efficiency in manufacturing. By optimizing energy usage, manufacturers can reduce their environmental footprint and achieve significant cost savings. Conclusion. Machine learning is transforming manufacturing processes by enabling automation and optimization. By leveraging the power of data analysis and prediction, manufacturers can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching.